With a MySelfServe account, many of the things you would do in a ministry office, you can do from a computer or mobile device quickly and conveniently. You can apply for income or disability assistance, communicate with the ministry by receiving and replying to messages about your case, make service requests and track the status of your requests, submit your monthly report without having to go to an office, find out what you are eligible to receive on the next payment date, track your annual earnings exemption if you are on disability assistance, view and sign your employment plans, sign and submit documents electronically by entering your 4-digit PIN. What will you need to set up an account? As a single person, you will need to provide an email address, a social insurance number, and a basic BCE ID. The basic BCE ID provides the username and password for your MySelfServe account. If you don't have a basic BCE ID, you can set one up in just a few minutes when you create your MySelfServe account. When you are ready to apply for assistance, sign in to your MySelfServe account. Click on the Service Request tab. Create a service request. Select Application for Assistance and click Continue. The application will open and you can watch a short intro video to get started. It might be helpful to download the document checklist to help you know what documents you will be asked to provide with your application. For more information, visit the ministry website or call 1-866-866-0800.
This video provides a quick overview to help you complete your application. There are 11 groups of questions. On the first page of each section, you can see what kind of information you will need to provide. You can find answers to commonly asked questions and examples of the documents you may be asked to provide. Throughout the application, you'll be asked to attach copies of documents. If you are completing the application using a device with a camera, such as a smartphone or tablet, it's easy to attach photos of your documents. Just tap the button and take a photo of the document. It will be automatically uploaded to your application. If you are using a computer, you can send photos to the computer or use a digital scanner to attach documents to your application. If you do not have access to a smartphone, tablet, or computer, you can visit a ministry office to submit the documents needed for your application. To see how long this process will take a look at the progress bar at the top of the page. You can also display a list of all sections and what you have completed so far. At any time, you can save your progress and resume later. Use the menu at the top corner of the screen. To resume a saved application, go to your Service Requests page. Locate the application and click on Resume to pick up right where you left off. To complete the application, you will be asked to indicate that you understand your rights and responsibilities. Please read this information over carefully before providing consent. To submit your application, type in your 4-digit PIN and press Submit. After submitting your application for assistance, you may be contacted regarding your application. You can check on the status of the application on your Service Requests page.